Moulds are required when manufacturing composite components using the different processes. Various mould types are discussed here.
Right, now these are the different types of open moulds. We've got here, just showing you the difference. This one here is a male mould, and here we've got the female mould. This mould was taken from there. When you're making a plug, it's very hard to cut the actual inside. So what you do is you'll make a mould of the male first, and then from that make a female mould. As you can see, corner basin, and that will have come straight from that part there. As you can see, the flange has been trimmed off to the position that you want. So in order for this part to come out of a mould, it has to be able to come free in one direction. So this part here can come off in one piece. If you've got a series of undercuts, there's two ways that you can do it. And what we've got here is what's called a split mould and a flexible mould. The flexible mould is a silicone or latex mould, and this is a part inside. There. If the part that you want to produce is a lot more complex than this, you can go for a reinforced flexible mould. As you can see here, you've got a fiberglass reinforcement, and if we peel that off, hopefully in one piece, we have the hard FRP cover and the flexible mould in here. There we have a golf ball. You can see a very complex shape with all the dimples, and they're all taken up in the mould. Then when the mould goes back together, you see you've got the golf ball inside to pour your resin. The other way is with a rigid split mould. We have here a part inside here. There's certain areas where this cannot come out. If I physically try to lift this, it won't possibly come out. I just pull the mould with it. So in which case we have to have splits in the mould here. In this case we have 5 splits with flanges all bolted together. So unable to take the part out, we must undo all the bolts. Right, so we take the last bolt out of this section, and then we can remove this section here. And there you can see the flanges and the actual part, gel-coated part inside. We'll take some more off now. So this is the part that's come from this mould, and as you'll see on here, we have what's called a flash line, which is a gel coat line on that very edge there. And that you'll have that line around every joint, and you just have to detail those up like so. So now you can see the part is perfect.
The different types of moulds allows us to manufacture simple to complex shapes.